Get the Here, get that Yeah, take it. We're going. Let's remember, like, right on like this side. Alright, it's just launch. Alright, bring up weapon. Bring up weapon and try and position it like looking at that get cool area. My name is Nick. I'm a spotter for the National Weather Service here in Chicago, and this is my chase feed. Okay, so here in the back is like the brains of the operation. This is where we control most of the major instruments. The laptop is controlled by an AT&T wireless card. Here is where we get our radar so we know where we're going, our maps so we know what roads to take, as well as this is what we use to stream our webcam. Also in the back is our control for our warning lights, our amber lights in the back, to warn people of us being parked on the side of the road or to let people know that we're in chase. Okay, the back of our van is filled with our most necessary items. We have our tripods used for our cameras and our weather instruments. We have our cooler full of beverages for our drive. You never know. It's long drives and days. We got our supplies for emergencies. If we ever do come across something, you know, that we don't want to see. If we come across a village that's been hit by a tornado, we do have the supplies to help out what we can. We got gloves, we got first aid kits, bottles of water, and food for them. We also have food for ourselves and a little snacks for driving. So this is the navigator seat. The navigator is in charge of our atlas, just in case the GPS loses signal or, you know, has unverified roads. He's also in charge of secondary routes to get us out of, you know, places that we don't want to be. The seat also controls the webcam. He angles the webcam towards the storm. And finally, the most important spot, the driver's seat. We can spend many hours straight driving to a certain location. You gotta make sure you're comfortable. The GPS has gotta be in good position to see, but it can't be in the way and obstruct things such as the camera, as well as my eyesight on the road, which is, you know, kind of important.
Directly behind you.
Is it directly behind you?
Yep.